Hello guys and welcome back to George Basics. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to write essays with ChatGPT. So I will be showing you what prompts you should use to write best quality AI generated essays. We will cover three types of essays. These are the first, argumentative essay, which is the most common one. The second is informative essay, and the third, fun type essay. So watch this video until the end and don't forget to click the like button because likes are super important for me. So let's begin. Okay guys, we can start with argumentative essay, and I already have a title of this kind of essay. For example, this title: what do you think, the voting age should be raised, lowered, or left as is, guys? So this is the title of an argumentative essay. We should write our opinion. What do you think about this topic? Which idea do we support? And we should give the arguments, guys, and also we should write the conclusions. And now we are going to use ChatGPT to write this essay. So guys, we can just simply give this comment to ChatGPT. So let's write an argumentative essay about the topic, and let's click the enter button and let's wait for the result. As you can see, guys, ChatGPT finished its work and it wrote an essay. And if we read the conclusion, we will see that ChatGPT is supporting the idea that the voting age should remain at 18, guys. So if we ask ChatGPT to write this essay again, it may support different idea, for example, lowering the voting age. So this is random, guys. It's an AI tool and it doesn't have its own opinion about this. ChatGPT can think in different ways, but we can be more specific while we are writing the prompt, guys. So let's copy this again. And for example, if we are supporting for example, lowering the voting age idea, guys, we can ask ChatGPT to support this idea. So we can do it simply. We can tell ChatGPT, for example, support for the lowering voting age idea, and let's see the result. Okay, ChatGPT finished the writing, and now if you check the conclusion, you will see that ChatGPT is supporting the idea that the voting age should be lowered to 16, guys. So ChatGPT took in count what we asked and it wrote the essay in this way, guys. So this was the examples of an argumentative essay. You should write argumentative essays in this way. You can just ask ChatGPT to write an essay, or you can be more specific and you can ask ChatGPT which idea should it support, guys, while writing an essay. And now we can move on informative essays, and if I don't have any essay topic, I can ask ChatGPT to generate some ideas. For example, write 3 informative essay titles about global warming impact on animals. So let's wait. Okay guys, ChatGPT give us the three examples. So I like the third one, and I can ask ChatGPT to write an essay about the third title. So let's give ChatGPT the command: write an informative essay about the third topic. Okay guys, ChatGPT wrote an essay about the topic we have given it, and you can see that it's very informative with different information, guys. So this is the way you can write an informative essays. And now we can move on the third example, and this is the fun type essays. This is very popular at school, so if you are a school student, this will be very helpful for you guys. and I'll teach you how to generate AI essays with help of ChatGPT. For example, let's type the title here, write an essay about which superpower would you choose to have. Okay, this is the topic, guys, and if we don't have any idea and if we are a little bit lazy to think, we can just click and enter button and ChatGPT will turn its imagination and it will write something for us. As you can see, ChatGPT now is writing an essay and it's writing about the teleportation. So it choose the superpower teleportation and it's writing an essay about this topic. As you can see, ChatGPT finished writing. We have given the title, which was about which superpower would you choose to have, and we didn't given any ideas. So ChatGPT wrote the essay with its imagination, and it wrote an essay about the teleportation ability, and it has given some benefits of this ability, guys. So this is the example for the people who are a little bit lazy to write an essays. But if you are not lazy, you can ask ChatGPT some ability and it will write an essay about this ability. So for example, we can do the simple thing. Let's copy this prompt and let's type this command dash use human flying ability and let's see the result. Okay guys, ChatGPT finished the writing process and as you can see it wrote an essay about the flying ability, guys. So it took in count what we asked and it wrote a wonderful essay about this topic. So this is how you can write fun type essays. So that's all I wanted to tell you in this video. If you have some questions, you can ask me in the comment section. At the moment, ChatGPT is a free tool. You can use it for free. If you don't know the link, I will put the link in the description. You just need to make an account and you can use this great AI tool for free. That's all. See you in the next video.